High water, in English, more than just a phrase. Hello, language enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel where we make English learning fun and easy for you. Today, we're diving into a phrase that can be confusing for English learners, high water. Stick with us to discover not just what it means, but also how you can use it in your daily conversations. Let's make a splash with today's topic. The term high water typically refers to the highest level that water reaches, particularly in a river, before it begins to fall. It's often used in the context of flooding or when talking about the tide. But it's not just a literal term. It has metaphorical uses too. When used in everyday language, high water can take on a more figurative meaning. It often denotes a peak or a maximum point in situations. For example, when we say, "That was the high water mark of his career," we mean that was the peak of his professional life. Understanding this can help you add depth to your conversations when talking about successes or significant moments. In historical references, high water mark might be used to describe a turning point in a conflict, like a battle or war. For instance, the term high water mark of the Confederacy refers to the point at which the Confederate Army had reached its furthest point north during the American Civil War. The phrase can also be part of idiomatic expressions. Come hell or high water is an example, meaning no matter what difficulties arise. If someone says, "I'll finish this report, come hell or high water," they're determined to finish the report despite any challenges. We hope you found this deep dive into the phrase, high water, illuminating and useful. Remember, English is full of phrases that can be used both literally and figuratively to express a wide range of situations and events. Keep practicing, and don't let anything, not even high water, hold you back from mastering this vibrant language. Until next time, keep learning and stay curious.